guys, it's Miss Southern Belle with that taste test y'all been waiting for. I did see one of my sweetheart friends, it's in England, she showed her Twix. Now I'm showing her my Twix, and this is what my package looks like. And you can get these at Five Below. I've never tried them, so I'm gonna go for this one because it's got cookies in them. You know, guys, I love the cookies. Okay, let's get these babies out and see what they look like. I got them at Five Below. They look like this. Zoe, this is for you, Zoe. That's what these look like. This is the cookies and cream, Zoe. Now let's see what they taste like. They're not bad. That's like that dog. Okay, next one. I went to McDonald's early, but I couldn't eat all of it. I knew I had to do this. I want to do the salty caramel Twix. Shout out to Zoe. And it looks like this. And it looks like that when you open it up. Wow. I don't know. Boy, is it salty. Ooh. Well, they're both milk chocolate. So this is a milk chocolate, not a dark chocolate. Okay. The other one's milk chocolate too. But it looks like the inside, it has the oatmeal. It has the cookies and cream inside. It's not like the picture shows. If you see the picture shows, it's kind of like creamy, like it has the little speckles. See the picture where it says it shows the speckles? It's nothing like that on the inside. It's just straight up. I like this one better. Better than this one. Boy, you can taste that salt on that caramel salty. Anything salty caramel, believe me, it's salty. I guess that's all I gotta say. So my vote for the best one is this one, cookies and cream. I didn't really care for this one. Too salty for me. And I love salt, don't get me wrong. I'm a salt queen when it comes to salt. I salt everything to death, but not this is not that great. Anyway, this is the end of my video. Shout out to Zoe in England. She'll probably say, oh, that's me, that's me. Yes, that's you, darling. I don't know why my bra always shows. Anyway, you guys keep everybody lifted up and have a great Sunday. Don't forget to keep your faith as the mustard seed and rock on. Don't let the devil get you down. Tell him to get off your back if he does. Love you guys. Bye.